The first trailer of our tag fighting game got mad love on the internet, shock and amazing feedback from you guys, and today I will be sharing my reaction as well.
Perfect.
This is my Hadouken. Gaming outlets, indie and mainstream weighed in. Top fighting game influencers are also on board already. Some of you guys even suggested this might be the Fortnite for indie manga, but trust me, it will be so much more. I'm the creator of Apple Black, published and serialized on Saturday AM, where I'm also co-founder. Quickest explanation I can give, it's like Shonen Jump, but here in the West. Books in stores worldwide, Japanese manga awards, American manga awards, in libraries with library awards, translations, great reviews, big partnerships with SanDisk, Webtoon, the list goes on. Now with Sun Studios, proving you don't even need an anime to make a game like this happen. If you're new to the characters, you can pick up Saturday Awards to get familiar with the characters quick, or their individual series like Apple Black, Clock Striker, the list goes on. Either way, imagine how I felt watching this trailer. Saturday AM. Okay, the books fall, so you got the books fall, and just let people know that this is from our graphic novels, our manga within Saturday AM, and then it transitions from that manga approach to what you see here in all of its glory. I mean, look at that Sano. This is actually a pretty good Sano, and they captured my art style pretty freaking well. Also, if we go back a little bit, this is a stage, this is going to be one of the stages in the video game, and I drew this for the first time on this channel. I never thought it would be a stage in a video game, at least not anytime soon. So this is crazy. This is peak. Look at it. Producer kind of wrote, all the artists and everybody behind Saturday AM, we work really hard. The game developers work really hard to make sure we capture everything authentically, and this looks great. And just looking at it, going from that video to this, we went from this to this to this. Peak. Just seeing my character moving in this way for a fighting game is so cool. And hopefully one day some of you are able to experience this. The Erotis arm. I remember coming up with all of this stuff. And just looking at it right here is cool. I'm sure the other artists who are part of this experience feel the same way. It's so cool. It's so cool. Look at it. We drew that on this channel, and now look at it. It's a stage. Sano. Give me that two-piece. Anytime I see Sano teleport in the game, that's wild. The sound effects, again, we're playing the role behind the scenes, we're creating assets, doing everything we need to, helping the process along, and it's just so cool to see. It's so cool to be part of this experience, and I'm sure our staff and everybody feels the same way. We're so excited to see the game come together. But look at Sano giving the two-piece, huh? Cast looks great as well. It's always funny how serendipitous that was, like how her arm's also on the same arm with Sano, and they kind of look alike a little bit, and she's always been more science, kind of like an Iron Man, and then Sano has been more sorcery, kind of like a Doctor Strange, and Tony Stark and Doctor Strange have that little thing, so that's always been interesting to me. And then obviously Cass is also one of our most popular characters in Saturday AM. Clock Striker. Okay, you're giving the two-piece back. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It looks great. And we're revealing more characters. Dante Sobeat, Stud from Hammer. And this is a 2v2 fighter. So you get some tag team combos. You can put all that together. Netcodes, you can play online. Hey, leave him. Leave him alone. Yeah. Hit him back. Hit him back. Just the idea that, I came up with some of these moves, and just to see it in real, look at the lighting, all of that, so cool. That floor, seeing the characters together on the screen like this. This is my Hadouken right here. It is peak. Every time he teleports, it doesn't get old. I can imagine using him like Scorpion in Mortal Kombat. You go teleport back. Whew. Wishlist on Steam. Yes. EA Sports. He's in the game. Whew. He is in the game. He is in the game. The night is nigh. Peak fiction. Peak. I remember coming up with these things, and I'm sure the other creators feel the same way, just seeing Dante, Stud, and Cast. And obviously there's going to be more characters. Some of the characters will surprise you, for sure. Also came up with some exclusive stuff that is only going to be in the game, right? Which I can't show now, right? Over time, we're going to be showing more stuff, but go wishlist. That's all I can say. The game devs actually got Japanese artists to put this song together, so this is custom. Y'all can let us know your thoughts in the comments. But hip-hop has always been one of those things that Japan loves, and then we love manga. It's a pretty cool exchange, depending on how you look at it. Except nobody's online arguing whether this is hip-hop or not. This is not manga, why are you calling it battle manga? Those comments are coming, and it's kind of ignorant, but what are you gonna do? You can't argue with them all the time. If they don't want to learn, they're not gonna learn. It is what it is. Sano will be voiced by Alejandro Sab. He's done a lot of voice work for a lot of top anime, Hell's Paradise, Dragon Ball. Cass from Clock Striker will be voiced by Anaris. Does Mirko, does a lot of characters that you guys are fans of.
Yep.
Go make your Steam account if you don't have one yet. Go wishlist on Steam. Like this video. Do everything. Let's cook. Let's put everybody on notice. Eventually it'll be on PlayStation, Nintendo, Xbox, you name it. PlayStation. I will get to play our game with my Big thanks to you guys who supported the game. Big thanks to Sun Studios, partners helping us put this game together. Big thanks to Saturday AM staff, Fred, Raymond, and everybody helping to put this together, and everybody who's helped Saturday AM in any way up until this point. Guys, the game is actually going to be even better than what you see here. All the characters, the modes, story, touching on more multiverse stuff, gangbuster super moves, huge surprise reveals. Just make sure you all stay tuned for more updates, and make sure you go wishlist. Whatever you do, you're not going to want to miss it. With so many fighting games coming out, we don't plan on being lost in the shuffle. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you. Don't forget to like and Holy Ghost smash the subscribe button, hit the bell so you stay notified each time I upload absolutely anything. Turn on all notifications. A great way to learn about Apple Black is to watch the playlist that breaks down what my series is about, easing you into my world and what to expect. Swipe Manga, and I'm Audi 9000.